Welcome to PATSON Machine Tools. I am Sumit Patel. This is our product, double column hydraulic bandsaw machine, model LR132. I will explain how to install and start this machine one by one. First of all, I will introduce our all parts of this machine, starting from hydraulic unit. This is our power pack unit, consists of hydraulic solenoid valves, filters, motors and tank. Then after, this is our electrical panel box, machine frame, our vice system, clamping system, front roller table, and coming back to the rear area, this is gearbox unit, rear roller table and back portion. First of all, you have to fill hydraulic oil 68 grade through this filler breather. 50 liters oil is required. You have to ensure this level here, it indicates here. Then after, we have to open this door of panel. This is our electrical system. Take 4 square mm 4 core wire RYB. You have to insert in this plug, and this is earthing. You can connect here. Now you can start this machine. Ensure this emergency is released position. You have to start this button hydraulic on. It indicates with green light. After switch on, make ensure that there is pressure in pressure indicator. It should be around 40 bar or 40 kg per cm square. If it doesn't come, it doesn't show the required pressure, then you have to alter this wire position. Red in place of green, green in place of blue. Then after, you have to ensure the pressure should be there. This is our touch screen HMI. There are required functions in it, like frame up, frame down, vice clamp, vice declamp, drive inch, coolant on off. You can operate from here. Now we will start blade installation first of all in this machine. So you have to take this frame in upward position through this touch screen panel. Make ensure this door you can open easily in upward down position. Left side door, then after right side door. Open both the doors so you can easily install blade. Now generally blade comes in coil position like this, so you have to open it like this. Okay. Then with the help of 2 person, take this blade inside the frame, from upper portion, then after take it on the grip of band wheel like this, both the band wheels. Insert it in carbide guides like this first of all. Then after, you have to tight this middle grub screw. Make it tight, not too much tight, but a reasonable tight position. Then after, you have to unscrew it 10 to 15 degree to make a passage for blade movement. That is clear. Then after, you have to adjust this blade on band wheel with safety, that your fingers and hands shouldn't come in between. Then after, there is a hand lever operated valve. You have to operate with left hand and make sure blade is tightening on band wheel from both the sides. You have to keep your finger safe. This is the installation process of blade before starting cutting. After installation of blade, you have to check its running position through blade inch command. You can check it. Blade is appropriately arranged on both the band wheels as well as in guides. Then after, you have to adjust this brush to clean the blade. Open this right guard, adjust it and touch it to the blade, that there is 1 or 2 mm area should be in contact with the brush. It is for cleaning purpose. So there is adjustment, there is a bolt, you can adjust it before starting the cutting. This is our coolant tank. Ensure it is full of 50 liter of coolant. Consists of 1:10 ratio, oil plus water. If you take 10 liter oils, then you have to add 40 liter water. Check whether coolant is coming or not in manual mode. It is coming nicely. Okay. Now take your cutting piece onto the machine. This is semi-automatic machine, so you have to adjust your cutting length manually. Put it on front-wise. There are 3 material keeping plates. You have to adjust as per the diameter and width of the material. So the person is arranging it. Forward this material here. Clamp the front wise. Then bring this frame down. There is little 10 to 15 mm gap between material and blade to avoid the damage of blade. This is for safety purpose. This is parameter list. You have to read it carefully before starting the cutting. As per the diameter, what should be the speed, what should be the feed, and all the technical data before starting the cutting. It is necessary. You have to add this cutting oil in water as per proportions said. Now we will start cutting. There is a push button here for cutting start. blade will rotate like this along with coolant. Machine will come down through this feed control valve. You have to adjust this valve as per chart given and as per the material. So as soon as cutting starts, this fast approach assembly leaves first limit switch LS1. This is proper position. Coming behind the machine, there is another limit switch LS2. You have to adjust this limit switch in first cut. There is stopper here and this is limit switch LS2. This is stopper. So you have to adjust this for first cut. That blade should not get much more down before its limit. This is our third limit switch, which is mounted on blade tightening assembly. In case blade breaks or stalls during cutting, then this portion will automatically come to this limit switch, towards this limit switch, and as soon as limit switch presses, machine will shut down. It is provided to avoid accident and unnecessarily inconvenience during cutting. This is speedometer. Knob is there. You have to adjust meter per minute speed through here as per the chart given. This is auto manual selector switch. If you put it in manual mode, then after cutting, machine will be in same position, in downward position. If you select it in auto mode, then this frame will come upward up to certain limit, which is adjustable. Cutting is going to end. As soon as this limit switch will press this stopper, the frame will go in upward motion to desired limit. You have to adjust this blade arm. Near the moving jaw. It should be 1 or 2 inch away from this moving plate to avoid unnecessary vibration during cutting.